Hello guys, so let's get started with our task 3, validate Entra registration on this one, on the workstation 1. So for that, I'll just quickly enter this terminal and run this command ds reg cmd status. And on this one, user stats, verify that workplace joined says yes. Okay, user state, this is our user state. One moment. Workplace joined, it says yes. So this is our success. I mean, we have successfully registered the Entra device. This indicates that user has performed a device registration in Azure AD. And this is done. Let's switch back to our server one. And on the portal as well, we'll try to validate it. So once I'm here, go to devices, all device. As you can see, CL2 is now. Oh, sorry. This is our workstation one, which is Entra registered, not joined. Okay. So there is a slight difference between that. You can quickly check that also, and also we'll see the difference. Owner is the Joni Sherman, which with which we logged in, the account that we have used, and this is the Entra registered device. Okay, so this is done, guys. Let's move on to our next activity. Task: sign in to Windows and disconnect from the organization on the workstation one. Notice that unlike Entra joint or Entra hybrid joint devices, an Entra registered device only allows local accounts to be selected. Okay, so on this one, I'll again go back to the that settings page, which is already here, and I'll quickly disconnect it. Notice that you do not have to restart to disconnect the registered device from the Azure AD. So when we are trying to disconnect, there is no need of the restart. So this is simply how it is done. Click on power and then restart. To prepare for the next lab. So for the next lab, we are doing a restart, okay? And this is now disconnected. I'll just restart the machine. And this lab activity is already completed. Thank you so much for staying on the video.